Balirite Resort. Ayan guys, pwede na mag-swimming guys.
Margo Sibiana R. Margo. Parents,
Lapit lang to dito sa amin guys. Ayan guys, oh. Pakaganda guys. Dito ginanap yung graduation ng pamangkin ko guys. Ay ako sa Balirite Resort. Ako sa pamangkin.
Thank you, Mrs. Bernal, for your donation.
Napakadaming guys. Napakadaming swimming pool guys. Meron pang bata, meron pang matanda. Balirite Resort. So guys, pinapalitan ng tubig guys. Ganda ng mga cottage guys.
Thank you, Mr. Eduardo, for your donation.
Hindi na kayo dito mag-swimming. Ito guys, yung upuan guys.
Athena B. Nasargon. Parents,
Ang daming
Bernal and Alan Jude Nasargon.
Dito to sa loob ng Balirite Resort.
Morandante, for your donation.
Masarap dito guys mag night swimming.